With the advent of the new integrated healthcare system, driven in large part by the Affordable Care Act, Menasha recognized a merchandising strategy gap between pharmacists and front-of-store items that could bring significant therapeutic value to their patients when they were in-store during the consult, so that they could relieve symptoms and improve symptom management, because it's proven if people feel better, they'll take their medication. So what we thought was, how could we connect pharmacists to knowledge of those front-of-store items and make recommendations to patients so that patients would act on those recommendations. So we looked at our space, and with our iBeacon investment with ShelfBucks and our relationship with Drugstore News Continuing Education, we felt like we could present a merchandising strategy that would connect adjacencies behind the counter and over the counter, so that patients could easily act on purchasing those items that would improve their health outcome. When we looked at the space, the gap is in knowledge and the ability to quickly get information to make recommendations for their patients when they're in store. So that would help drive a better health outcome for the patient. And the partnership that we have with ShelfBucks enables the delivery of that information about the patient and about the needs that they may have from a symptom perspective. And the Drugstore News partnership on the continuing education provides a place to get information that is meaningful to help close that gap. It's important for pharmacists to understand what items are in the front of store to help improve medication adherence by helping their patient feel better when it comes to managing the symptoms of their chronic condition or disease state. You know, pharmatailing actually brings together elements to enable the transfer of information to the pharmacist quickly, so that they can understand what items help with symptom management. The navigational components that we would provide through signage and through solution centers help patients easily navigate the store to find those recommendations. And the information that Drugstore News Continuing Education can bring to the table inform both pharmacists and patients about the best choices to make. You know, we hope that our bringing this forward will help pharmacists connect adjacencies behind the counter and over the counter to deliver better health outcomes for their patients, because that's the most important thing. But beyond that, we believe that there's a basket building opportunity in addition to driving better health outcomes.